is uniform motion. What is uniform motion? What does uniform means? Uniform means equal, same, similar. That is uniform. What is uniform motion? Uniform body is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. I am giving an example. Distance, and this is time. Distance is in meters and time is in second. Suppose 10 here distance covered is 20, 30 and 40. Here 25, 30 and 35. Here you can see that the time interval, the successive time interval is 10 seconds, and the distance covered is, the time difference between the two successive distances 5 meters. For 10 second distance covered is 20 meter, for 20 second it is 25 meter, 30 second it is 30 meter, and for the 40 second is the difference between the two successive values of distance is 5 meter, and here it is 10 meter. Similarly, the next two successive values, if you are taking 25 and 30, the difference is 5 meter, and here again the difference in the time interval is the 10 seconds. That is equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance in equal interval of time. That is known as the uniform motion. What is uniform motion? If a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. The next is non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? Non-uniform motion means if the object or the body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, or the vice versa. That means here you can see that for the equal interval of time, the time interval is 10 second, here also 10 second, here also 10 second. The difference in the, or the interval in the distance, or the difference between the two successive values is 20 and 15. Here it is, the difference is 5 meter, and here it is 15 meter, and here is 5 meter. That is unequal distance in equal interval of time. Here is the time difference is the, time difference, it is a distance difference is 5 meter, here it is 15 meter, here is 5 meter, and again I am taking another value. If it comes to be 45, here is the difference is 20 meter. That is, in the equal interval of time, the object is covering unequal distance. That is known as non-uniform motion. How is defined the non-uniform motion? Unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Unequal distance in equal interval of time is known as non-uniform motion. You can take the reverse case also. Now you take unequal time interval. Suppose here 10, 15, then 25, then 30, and here the distance is 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here you can see that the time interval is, here the time interval is 5 seconds, here the time interval is, it is 10 seconds, here the time interval is 15 seconds, 5 seconds. Therefore, the time interval is changing, but the distance covered is equal. Then it is also a case of non-uniform motion. Unequal distance in equal interval of time, or vice versa. Vice versa means the reverse case also. Time interval here is unequal and the distance covered is equal. This is the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. Next is average speed. What is average speed? So average speed is defined as, it is written as, average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. This is the average speed. Same unit as the speed, that is meter per second. Next is average velocity. What is average velocity? Average velocity is defined as the total displacement upon total time taken, or it is also defined as the initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Initial velocity is denoted by u, final velocity by v, and the formula will be the u plus v by 2. The same unit, meter per second.